Keilir hike starts at this car park, which is the end of a really long dirt track that really rattled the hell out of the exhaust. And as you can see, there she is over in the distance, 6 to 8 kilometers perhaps. Let's check it out. From the grass to the moss lava field, gonna get bumpy. Thankfully, the winding path is marked out by these yellow sticks. Back to the grass. Really starting to heat up now. I guess I didn't need to pack all that wet weather gear. But you know, as Bart Simpson said, fail to prepare, prepare to eat thy shorts. Who doesn't love a good cairn? Keep piling those rocks up. Oh, go on then. The beauty about doing this hike is, unlike the Fagradalsfjall Volcano, which I hiked yesterday, there's no one else here. It's awesome. And now for the really hard bit, the ascent. To the top of the mountain. The last bit was really sketchy, all loose gravel, but the view is worth it. I can see all the way to the volcano as well.